Good morning, good afternoon, good evening once again, whatever time it is, wherever in the world you are. My name is Paul Bars. Thank you very much for joining with me for this tutorial. We're continuing on building this particular website. Let's go back to our checklist. Here we go. Now, edit pages, pages. Change the about page to contact, disable the comments. Okie dokie. So we want to do this. So get rid of that one, move into pages. Let's have a look, see what pages we've got. There's the home page, obviously, the about page. Now the about page at the moment, there's really not much there. Doesn't have anything for contact. I don't want an about page. Okay, I want my about page really to be a contact page. So I'm going to edit it completely. And we'll just call it contact for the moment. We'll make the changes later. I'll show you where it's going to be added in. These notes that I have here have to do with the Expert WordPress installation feature. So here we'll change this to contact. And really, I mean, I guess I probably want this one to redirect to my main page where I have the contact form. So I shall make that change to check my spelling and so on and so on. I'll put that link in there in a little while. That'll just be a straight hyperlink. And that'll be it. It's just that quick little update. Disable comments. I don't want comments on my contact page. Yep, no problem. That won't be done already. Update that. And that's it. All done. If I then refresh and view that, it'll get rid of all of this stuff and just call it contact. But I'll have that as a redirect later, which I will be showing you. Let me just check on one more thing here. One moment. Okay, back again. Been about 5 minutes. I was trying to find this little thing. Disable comments. Now, when I use the Expert WordPress installer, this just all comes set up for me straight away. I don't need to, do most of this. Well, some of these bits, sure, but not all. And I couldn't find, as I'm looking over here at paulbars.com, I saw in the pages there was a place to actually disable the comments, but I couldn't find it here. So I found this instead. Up here, screen options. Clicking on that, we can then see what happens with comments and or discussion. So let's just do that. And I don't know if I need to update or save the page. No, I don't. So it's going to be discussion would be my guess. There we go. Allow comments. I don't want to allow comments on the contact page. Okay, there's just no point for it. So that's what I was looking for. And that's how I would now do that. Title. Now, of course, this is using the all-in-one SEO pack. This particular section here, certainly not necessary for every page, but you can customize how things are going to look. Title attribute, the menu label, that's the most important thing. The menu label is this bit here, how it's going to look here. Now, at the moment, it just says contact because that's the name of the page. Okay, so I will now update that over there on the right hand side, just a little out of your view, and we'll come back to this section here and refresh that in just 1 second. Okie doke, that should be now ready. Let's see if this little bit here changes in any way. There you go, done. See that? All right, forget the fact that I haven't typed it out. I told you I shouldn't be typing at the same time that I'm talking. But that's how easy it is to then click and then update it over there on that right-hand side. Done. That's making that change, updating some things as far as your pages go. Next one we'll come to is updating the appearance.